Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So this is going to be my first video of 2019 and I'm super excited to be back because I took quite a long break and I wanted the first video to be somewhat related to skincare. I had this new mask in my vanity and I thought let's just do a first impression / review sort of a video. This is a chocolate caffeine mask from Wow and this is supposed to hydrate and nourish your skin and all that stuff, which my skin absolutely needs at this point because it's so dry. It's like Sahara Desert. So I thought I could use this just to take care of my skin. I haven't touched it, I haven't even opened it, so I'm really excited to try this one. This doesn't have any parabens, mineral oils or color in it, but it does has fragrance and the last ingredient. So I don't know how mild or strong it is, but if it's too strong you might want to give it a skip if you're sensitive to fragrance. I personally don't have any problem with that, so I'm just gonna go ahead with it. And it comes with a little applicator as well. I remember using something similar with the charcoal mask as well. Really appreciate brands taking care of small things. So I did wash my face and I have no product on it whatsoever except for some lipstick so that I don't look weak in the video. And then I'm going to take a little product and I'm using a silicone mask brush for this, and I'm going to evenly spread the product on my face, making sure every nook and corner is covered, and then I'm just going to let it dry. So as you can see, the mask is on and I'm going to wait for it to dry for like 10-15 minutes, and while we are at it, let's discuss a few points about the product. So first of all, the scent. As far as the scent is concerned, it's like bourbon biscuits. You remember those chocolate biscuits we used to have when we were kids, or probably even now. So yeah, that's the kind of scent, but a little milder. It's not strong. So as far as the scent is concerned, for me personally, I'm good with the product. Second, this retails for 375 rupees and offers you a product for 100 ml, and it has a shelf life of 2 years. This is 100% vegan, cruelty free and gluten free, and it is also dermatologically tested. Talking about the texture and how the product spreads on the face, I think it's pretty good. It's like that moussey clay mask sort of a consistency, and it spreads pretty well with the silicone brush, as you could see, you could have noticed while I was applying the product. So yeah, as far as the consistency, scent and ingredients and all that stuff is concerned, I think I'm pretty okay with the product. And for the price point of view, also I think it's pretty decent. If you're lucky, you can get it on discount as well. I think Wow products are mostly on discount on Amazon, so make sure you check this one out on Amazon before buying this one. And yeah, once this is dry, I'll be back again. Alright, I think it's almost dried. Let's wash it off and reveal the after effects. Alright, so I'll be using a wet towel to rub it off, and make sure that you are doing it very gently like this. Alright, so it does feels like my skin is a bit glowing. With my winter skin, it's easier for me to make out whether the product has worked or not. So yeah, I think it did make my skin a little glowy and all. Alright, so let me just wash my face once just with water and come back. Alright, so my skin doesn't feel stretchy or tight or anything of those sorts, but it definitely feels moisturized and glowy, and it's very smooth to touch as well and soft, not to forget. So yeah, I really like how my skin looks and feels after using this mask for the first time. I think it did a pretty good job for the first time, and I really want to use it for a little bit more and see how it fares to the multiple uses. But for now, I am pretty impressed given the price point, how it works on the face, also the ingredients being 100% vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, dermatologically tested, no parabens, no mineral oils, no color. I'm pretty impressed. So that was all for the review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Leave in the comments below which product you want me to review next, and I'll be very happy to do that. And till then, I'll take your leave. I'll see you very soon in another video. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.